Both stock and crypto markets are crashed. Bitcoin is down around 49%, while all the other major altcoins are also following the same pattern. That means Ethereum is down 48% from its all-time high, while BNB 49%, Cardano 54%. And if you people want me to talk about Luna, in one line, I will say that Luna is dead for now. So basically, I will be creating a separate video where I will tell you that what happened with Luna, why it got crashed, and will it ever recover. But for now, let's continue with this video and let's learn more about the bloodbath. So around $1.9 trillion got wiped out from the whole crypto market in last 4 to 6 months. Everybody is facing loss and bears have attacked the market. But the major issue is that who are the main people or main individuals who are facing loss in this bear market? Are they big whales or venture capitalists? So the answer is no. Only the retail investors are facing the most loss in this bear market, and they are facing loss every time the market goes red. Because we wake every day in hope to see our portfolio in green, but the bloodbath is not ending. And market crashes were not enough. And as the inflation rates have also increased and are skyrocketing. So it is a big question now that how all we can keep calm and grow our assets and earn few more bucks in this tough scenario. So in this video, I will talk about all the practices that we can do, all the things we can do to grow our portfolio, grow our assets and earn few bucks in this bear market. So hello and welcome everyone. You are watching Help with Penny or मेरा नाम है श्रेयस पांडे. Thanks for joining in and see you on the other side. I just talked about two major problems that every retail investor is facing in this current scenario. The first one is the market crash itself, and the second one is the silent killer, inflation. So, this scenario is extremely critical and extremely alarming because if you are investing money in this scenario, there is a huge chance that you may fall victim to market crash. But if you are not investing your money in the market or anywhere else, inflation is silently eating up the value of your money. I hope that you all are aware of the term inflation, but for those who are not aware and who do not know the meaning of inflation, here is a quick explanation that what inflation is. So, inflation is a term that describes the decline of purchasing power of a given currency over time. What does this mean? So, here is a simple example. 5 years ago, if you were having 10 rupees in your pocket, then you could purchase 20 pari puri with that 10 rupees. While today, with 10 rupees, you can only purchase 5 to 6. So, here is a decrease in the purchasing power of your rupee. And this decrease in purchasing power is termed as inflation. Hope you all understood the concept. But let's take one another example to make it more clearer. So, 10 years ago, $1 was equal to 50 rupees. But now, it has increased to 77 to 78. This means now we need to pay more rupee to purchase a dollar. This decrease in purchasing power of rupee is termed as inflation. So, how exactly inflation is eating up the value of our money? The current inflation rate is somewhere around 7%. That means every year we are losing 7% on the money that we haven't invested anywhere. But as I told you, the problem is that if you are investing money in this current scenario, there's a huge chance that you may fall victim to market crash and you will end up losing more money. So what are the things that one can do to save their money as well as earn some extra bucks on their money? Some of you might think that we can open a FD in a bank account, but let me give you a quick example that what will happen if you will open up an FD account. So an FD account provides around 6% interest per annum, but as I told you the inflation rate is 7%. That means if we equate, you are still receiving minus 1% of interest on your investments. So that is a bad deal. So what we should do to defeat inflation and also to survive this bear market? So now I am going to talk about the three things that everyone should do in order to survive this scenario. But before that, I want to tell you that always do your own research because nothing on this channel is a financial advice. Let's go. First thing in our list is a very common practice that every investor should do, and that is called as DCA. So DCA stands for dollar cost averaging. So what does this mean? So let's take an example. Suppose you are having $1,000 and you want to invest that $1,000 into Bitcoin. So what you can do, either you can invest all those $1,000 at once in the market, or you can invest those $1,000 in parts. So DCA says that never invest all your money at once in the market. Instead of that, invest your money partly in the market. That means you can purchase $100 of Bitcoin every month instead of putting $1,000 at once. So how this will help your portfolio? So this will help you to stably grow your portfolio in the long time. Or if you have purchased even at the all-time high, this will help you to average your portfolio or average your buying cost of Bitcoin, and the next time market will go up, you will see the profit. The next thing in the list is staking of your crypto assets. So staking is one of the best way to earn passive income, and I have already created a dedicated video of staking. So you can check out that video, the link will be in the description. But today in this video, I will not going to talk about staking in detail, but I will tell you about the platforms where you can stake your assets and can earn a stable passive income on your crypto assets. In this video, I am going to talk about MCS staking platform. Yes, MCS Future Exchange has now also started to provide staking services. MCS is offering up to 16% of APY on USDT staking. And yes, this is a great APY. Investing in USDT provides you the stability of a stable coin, and while staking it helps you to generate passive income. So if you wish to stake, you can join the MCS platform and can earn up to 16% of APY on your USDT staking. The link of the MCS platform is in the pinned comment and in the description. Also join the Telegram community of MCS India, and don't forget to check out the MCS platform. Now, the last thing that we all should do to save as well as to grow our crypto portfolio is that we can lend out our crypto assets. Yes, that is also possible in the DeFi ecosystem. So it is just like normal lending and borrowing. What happens in that? You lend out your crypto assets in the market, and the one who borrows pays the interest. So this is also one of the best way to gradually grow your portfolio. So I hope you all learned that how you can manage your portfolio in the bear markets and can survive this. So I hope you all learned something new. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and also like this video. Do drop a comment and see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep educating.